It's a fine morning. All our family members assembled in the hall. Just now my wife came in and placed a refill container and a glass jar to pour in the contents. I looked at the refill pack. It is Horlicks Light. I was perusing it. My son-in-law noticed this and murmured something. Everybody burst into laughter, saying three C's. What? Oh, they are referring to my recent interest in reviewing the labels with a concern about who checks, who controls, and who cares these. Sensing my mood, my niece told, "Take it light, Mamu." But I'm not the one to leave it. I told them I'm not taking light but would like to throw light on it. Thus began today's exercise. I read loud the caption for Horlicks Light, Nourishment for Active Adults, immediately striking a chord with my people. Now, my daughter and niece said they have reached 30, and my wife said she is 50, and all of them claim to be active adults. But my 80 years old mother, who was listening all this, shook heavily in her chair and exclaimed, "You have fed me quintals of this stuff though I am not an active adult? What is this?" Oh my God, I've got something serious in my hand. I told my mother not to worry and continued to look for the details in the product pack. Let's start with the serving instructions of Horlicks Light. It mentions a serving size of 25 grams, which is about 3 heaped teaspoonfuls of Horlicks Light. While the product pack prominently displayed no added sugar. The serving instructions mention to add a little sugar if required, perhaps for the non-diabetic persons. Next to be looked at was the Horlicks Light ingredients list. It mentions a cereal extract containing barley, wheat, malted barley, wheat malt, milk solids, hydrolyzed corn solids, minerals, soy protein isolate, wheat gluten, nature identical flavoring substances, vitamins, salt, and an artificial sweetener. Let's understand what are hydrolyzed corn solids. They are made from corn syrup concentrated to less than 10% water. This is used as a sweetener in various food products including powdered drink mixes. The Horlicks Light label displayed three things. First, contains acesulfame potassium as an artificial sweetener. Second, it is not recommended for children. My daughter joked, "Is it because Horlicks Light is promoted for active adults?" I told her, perhaps because of the use of acesulfame potassium. The third point was that no sugars were added in the product. I was alerted. As we can see, Horlicks Light is added with hydrolyzed corn solids. It contains mainly glucose, which can be absorbed quickly into the body, raising quickly the blood sugar levels. I wanted to check the Horlicks website for more details in this regard. It also mentions no added sugars, but with a disclaimer that the sugar mentioned in the label claim refers to sucrose and it also contains naturally occurring sugars. As per FSSAI labeling requirements, sugar means all monosaccharides, glucose, fructose, etc., and disaccharides, maltose, sucrose, lactose, etc. Horlicks Light contains added corn solids, which is mainly glucose, and also milk solids, which may also contain lactose. Now, coming to the non-addition of sugar claims, it is mandatory as per FSSAI to mention the following indication contains naturally occurring sugars, but this is not printed on the product label. Further, the Horlicks website mentions under the features and details of Horlicks Light that it is so far the only nutritional product to be endorsed and certified by Diabetes India. What is Diabetes India? Is it an accredited body to certify the food label claims? My niece did a quick Google search and informed that Diabetes India is a popular magazine or blog, especially for those with diabetes. The Horlicks Light details also mention about high fiber and low fat contents, along with a claim that it is a vegetarian product while it contains milk solids as an ingredient. Now, let's come back to the Horlicks Lite product pack for its nutritional information. The product label displays quantity of several nutrient constituents including vitamins, minerals, protein, carbohydrates, fat, fatty acid composition and energy. Surprisingly, this list does not contain the important fiber content. It also does not list sodium content, though it contains salt as an additive. Now, let's check the prominent nutritional claims of Horlicks Lite. We can see that 6 antioxidant nutrients, vitamin C, copper, vitamin B2, selenium, vitamin E and zinc are highlighted. However, these antioxidant nutrients are present in normal quantities which could be available in any cereal beverage mix. The product pack displays a general information that for protection against free radical injury, consumption of diets rich in fruits and vegetables along with exercise is necessary. This is followed by a sentence that Horlicks Lite is a nourishing beverage to be consumed as part of a daily diet. The placement of legend as per Codex guidelines is misplaced here as it is not related to the above statement but pertains to the high protein content claimed on the top. Let's check the high protein claim. Horlicks Lite contains approximately 13 grams per 100 gram amounting to 3.25 grams of protein per serving of 25 grams, which is just a normal quantity. However, as per Codex guidelines, this amount can be claimed as high according to its technical limits. Next claim is zero cholesterol. For me, this is just an irrelevant claim. How do you expect cholesterol in a cereal beverage, that too without any added fats? It is really unnecessary to claim this. Zero cholesterol is being claimed in an improbable product. Let's summarize the observations of this review. Promotion of Horlicks Lite as a nourishment for active adults is unclear and ambiguous. The label claim of no added sugars isn't fully correct and the brand adjective light may not fulfill what it means. Promotion of Horlicks Lite as a nutritional drink suitable for diabetic persons is clearly an unsubstantiated claim and could be misleading through its claim of endorsement and certification by a private body without any accreditation for this purpose. To summarize, the assessment of Horlicks Lite food label and its promotional claims reveals that it is an ordinary product with its nutrient composition in normal quantities for daily requirements. It does not provide any special or additional benefits to whichever target consumers in this segment other than that of a normal malted cereal beverage. As expected, my mother was disappointed to note these observations and scolded me for not doing this review earlier. I have pacified her that she is being given moderate quantity of Horlicks Lite and of course regularly monitored for her glucose levels. Guys, Horlicks is a popular beverage drink since many decades and it has served as a nourishing drink and energy booster for many generations. However, the Horlicks Lite brand seems to be insufficient in design and weak in its strength. Hope this review motivates Messrs Unilever, the new owners of Horlicks brand products, to make necessary amends in this regard. Yes, the COVID-19 seclusion is providing me the time to check various food product labels. A long way to go, friends. Please share this information. Best wishes. Bye.